In this video, I would like to introduce a very useful tool for web developers and SEO specialists called Lighthouse. This tool was developed by Google and it's available in Google Chrome or as an extension in Mozilla. So basically what it does, it helps you figure out the potential improvements that could be done to the website. It scans for basic accessibility issues, potential best practice improvements, SEO issues, and a few other ones. So I'm going to show you an example. So for this purpose, I'm going to be using a test web e-commerce website. So to launch this tool, you have to do like a right click on somewhere in the site and select inspect, or you could press an F12 key on your keyboard. Let's make it. Here we go. Then here, once the dev console is open, you have to click on Lighthouse tab. And here you'll see several categories of tests you could perform. You can do a general performance test, progressive web apps test, best practices, accessibility, or SEO. As well, you can choose what kind of device you would like this test to run on. So considering these days there's quite a bit of traffic is coming from mobile devices, it's extremely important to have your website mobile friendly. So it's best to do scan on both on mobile and desktop. But for this example, I'm going to do it at first for mobile and we'll see what shows up. So let's do all the tests and mobile and then click on generate report. It's going to take about 15 maybe seconds to generate report. Let's see. Perfect. So report has been generated. Let's larger. Okay. So as we can see here, there's some potential performance improvements could be made as well, accessibility and SEO. Speaking of best practice, we're pretty good. So let's scroll down. Let's see what we can do to performance. Okay, so basically it says that major issue here is that serve images in next-gen formats, which basically means that you have to upload images in formats other than PNG and JPEG, such as JPEG 2000, JPEG XR, or WebP. It explains here that, which means that they provide faster downloads and less data consumption. So what else here? Oh, decrease the image sizes. That will be beneficial, and there are a few other ones here you can go on. What else is here? There's accessibility. About accessibility, there are some issues in the background and foreground colors. There's insufficient contrast ratio, which should be a relatively easy fix. As well, some images don't have alt attributes, also very easy fix. The best practices, there are very few issues here. SEO, again, same as in accessibility, missing alt attributes for images and not enough missing meta descriptions. So those are very, very easy to fix to improve the overall score for mobile. Secondly, we can also right now do a test for desktop. Let's close the console and click on inspect elements one more time. Go to Lighthouse and click on desktop and click on generate report. Fantastic, the report has been generated and we can see performance is significantly better on desktop than mobile. But overall, you can scroll through each one of those and see what else needs to be done to improve the performance on desktop. And this is pretty much it. So please do give this tool a try. It's extremely useful. I'm confident you will like it. And yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think. Thanks so much.